How to copy hashtags on Instagram in iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now let's get started right away. Now this can be done on basically any type of post. This can be a picture with a regular caption, it can be a video with a regular caption, but it can also be a reel with a real caption, and it really just doesn't matter which type of post it is. You can copy it from any type of post. Now, how to actually do this, you want to go to any post there is. So let's say, for example, this reel, and let's see if it has any tags. It does actually. So in order to actually copy these tags, you cannot like hold it on, like long hold it to copy it like you would normally do, nor does it show anything in the comments. So what you want to do is simply take a screenshot just like that. So here is the screenshot. You want to save this to your photos, and you want to open up your Photos app. And once you're here in the Photos app, as you can see right over here, I can now long hold my finger on the text, just like that. And I can now select the text right over there, and I've now copied it just like that, which is great. Now I can, for example, go over here real quick and paste it in here. And as you can see, we've now copied and pasted all of the tags just like that. So that is actually super easy to do. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.